Um, okay. And this is animals I could beat in a fight. Okay. See. Beatable. Okay, so the top is I would get, like, destroyed. Okay, yeah, wrecks me. Existence no more. It kind of depends, but it's beatable. Nope. Okay, nope. No, I guess I'll put it here. Yeah, it wrecks me. A horse, it just wrecks me, man. It's not even fair. Okay, an elephant next. Could I be an elephant? Fucking obviously. What? What are we saying? It's fucking obvious. Getting slammed. I would slam an elephant. Okay. A cow. I don't know what the cow would do to me, but I don't think I would beat the cow. I don't know how I could. There's a baby cow. I don't know how the hell I would beat a cow. I'm just gonna put it there. Oh no, the cow would wreck me. This chicken, yeah, I'd kill it easily. It's beatable. You know what I mean? A bee, yeah, nope. Here, bro, I would wreck it. Yeah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Just put it there. Just kidding. Got your ass again. Come on. I'm slamming that. Alright. Croc. A croc would just wreck the fuck out of me, man. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'm killing the squirrel. Light work. Gosh, man. Okay, look. This is more of a fair fight, because it's just one. If it's just one. It would absolutely wreck me. This might wreck me even worse, I don't even know. I mean, this is a fair fight, but I don't know. Fuck. Dead. Got him. I'm fucking him. I don't even want to fight. That's a capybara. Right? I don't even want to fight a capybara, but it's beatable. Life or death. I'm destroying it. Yeah. I think it's just like if these things really tried, okay, I'm putting monkey in fair fight. It's a fair fight. Or that, yeah. I think these are just beatable. Okay, is that a blue whale? How would I beat the biggest animal on Earth? How would I physically, underwater, beat? I don't think it wouldn't slam me because it's slow compared to like it's huge. Okay, so I wouldn't beat it. No, I wouldn't beat it. I mean, maybe I could try to like hit their eyes, but it fucking wrecks me, bro. What I mean by like annihilation, I think it's different. It's like in annihilation, I don't just lose. It's like not only did I never have a chance, I physically couldn't have a chance, but it would rip me in shreds, tear me apart, and absolutely brutally kill me. Like I would get demolished with no remorse. Like even if they weren't trying to, like an elephant would smush me and I would die instantly. I would get demolished. Yeah, have fun, buddy. Oh my god, get demolished. demolished, bro. It's just, it's something about the hippos, rhinos, elephants that are like, just, they're just fucking like girthy but fast and have the strongest fucking teeth. I would get demolished again. Fuck you, pigeon. Government's watching. Yeah, it would beat me. It's just not a fair fight. It would beat me. Underwater, obviously. What the fuck am I saying? Obviously. Dear. Oof. I mean, it's fist fighting, so I would lose. No, I would lose. I guess it's beatable. Nope. Okay. Like, it wrecks me, but it's like I could beat it. Hit its nose, you know what I mean? Like, actually, fuck that. I could beat a fucking shark. I could beat it, you know. Yeah, it's beatable. A dog. Oh my god. Okay. Dear. See, this is a fair fight. This, I don't know, man, bro. These things are fast as fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck are these? I, this guy. Who is this guy? Who is it? Who? Annihilate. Annihilate. Annihilation. And that's my animals we could fight tier list. I could fight these animals in 1v1, and this is how they would go. Not bad. Not a bad list whatsoever. Boys. Okay, wait. Today, first, we have the best artist, the top 3 artist of all time, Lucky. And we're gonna be rating his songs. No unreleased, though. If there's unreleased, there's like 3 songs that would be my number 1, probably. Alright. Tune for, okay, oh my god. I saw someone say that this song is a bottom 10. A bottom 10 Lucky song. It's disgraceful. There we go. No bap on repeat. This song is great. Super Skeet. Oof. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's not like, okay. Look, the problem is all of these songs are gonna be insanely high up because it's Lucky. You know what I mean? Lucky. Okay. I don't like, okay, I'm gonna put the songs that I barely listen to. I just don't, okay, I do. So I'm gonna put that song up there. That's just how it is, because some of these songs I don't really listen to as much, but I still have like 90 liked of his songs liked, so I pretty much listen to almost all of them. Oh my god, oh my god. I see Do You Want? Oh my god. One of the best Lucky songs ever. It's so popular, but like I don't care. Wait, this song was made on my birthday, I'm pretty sure. If this is overthinking, then this is made on my birthday. I love that fucking song so much. Yeah, alright. What a fucking song. I know. Okay, and then these are the rest that go here. Yeah, alright. Made. Geeked and Blessed, this fucking song's good. Cavilled in on. Oh, that song's fucking good too. I don't know. 13. This song's better than all those though. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put most of the songs that I like the most on here. Okay, well, Sessions is up there. Wait, no. If it's top 10, then we're gonna literally put 10 songs. So I'm putting this there. I'm putting this there. This there. Diamond Stitching. She want me to leave her, but I do better by myself. They so they give me the key. God, I'm hanging from my belt. Oh my god, I know what we need. Wait. Alright, bet. How about this? More than ever. It's gotta be up here too. Fuck, man. Too many songs are up here. Oh my god, it's the best. Oh my god, it's the best fucking. Oh my god, he's the best fucking artist ever, bro. Faith. This song's good as shit. Fucking hell. Oh my god. This song could weirdly, like, I don't listen to it as much anymore. It could go top 10, but I don't know. For wave 4. Okay. Now we're talking. I don't even know. Alright, so far, I think this is a good list. I think this is a list that I like, that I want. What the fuck? Alright. Alright, so look. I think there's a lot of more songs we could add, like fucking Diamond Stitching. What am I doing? Talk about why the ones that fuck with me, the main ones that I got nothing for. Oh my god, he's the best fucking artist ever. All of these songs are so good, bro. Oh my god. Oh. I'm so serious. These are all fair ratings. By the way, a lot of these low ones I just don't listen to. Oh, brother. It's just like, bro. This is pretty much most of it, so that's good now.